element of being two-faced. Two-faced. Measure yourself against that. Some people, they have a particular demeanor, a persona in public. Shaykh, mashallah, dars, halaqa, salah, attar, everything is going well. But then you look on the social media, you think, whoa, okay, is this person schizophrenic? Does he have a split personality? Is there a bipolar disorder of some sort? It's a completely different person. It's an all-out pimp. How can it be? It's the same brother in the masjid. But look how he's presenting himself on social media. This is what I listen to. This is the people I mix with. Here's images of me, what I was doing last weekend. This is my business. It's all haram. That's being two-faced. And the Messenger ﷺ said about the people who are two-faced, and by the way, the same applies to our counterparts, our sisters, our mothers, our daughters, who in public she may be wearing the finest hijab. May Allah strengthen them. It is a test, the hijab, especially today. But on social media, the presentation as if everyone's a mahram. Everyone is mahram. Nothing. How come? Is this not a form of being two-faced? And the Messenger ﷺ said, the hadith of Bukhari and Muslim, Abu Hurairah, he said that the Messenger ﷺ said, تَجِدُ مِنْ أَشَدِّ النَّاسِ عَذَابًا يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ ذَا الْوَجْهَيْنِ الَّذِي يَأْتِي هَؤُلَاءِ بِوَجْهٍ وَهَؤُلَاءِ بِوَجْهٍ أَوْ تَجِدُ شَرَّ النَّاسِ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ. He said, you will find that the worst of all people on the day of judgment with Allah will be those who had two faces. They would give a face to these people and they would give a different face to these people. And he said in the hadith of Abu Dawood, من كان له وجهان في الدنيا كان له لسانان من نار يوم القيامة. Whoever has two faces in the life of this world will have two tongues of fire in his mouth on the day of judgment. Because you spoke to these people with this type of tongue and you spoke to these people with a different type of tongue, that will be exposed on the day of judgment. So measure yourself against that one as well, dear brothers and sisters.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.